What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about 6 big tech stocks. And now let's get right into it with Tesla. And I did not play Tesla puts today, but I was doing live trading in my Discord. I called out for my Patreon members right here, and this is why I did it, guys. 189.69 right here. If you want to short Tesla, that is right here. And look at this insane move. This thing came all the way down to 180 to 70, and that was actually a dip buying area on Tesla. In last few minutes, it was actually trading above 185, and now you can see it's trading at 187, 188. So Tesla, we got big earnings coming on Wednesday from Tesla, and look at this move on last earnings. Massive, right? So it's gonna be a massive move here on Tesla. And also going into tomorrow, guys, Tesla 185 is going to be the key level. It's holding as of right now. Below that, watch out for 180 to 177. To the upside, now we have resistance exactly at 190, and Tesla can break 190 tomorrow or in next 4 minutes. Then watch out for 190 to 60, red line 50 SMA, and once we get above 190 to 60, Tesla back in business. We're going to see 200 on Tesla stock. So for tomorrow, 185, 180, 177 is going to be key level of support on Tesla to watch, and the resistance to break 190, 190 to 59, and then a quick trip all the way up to 200. Now guys, if you want to get setups like this or 3 days of live trading, all my trade ideas, my swing trade ideas, definitely check out the Patreon. I'll leave a link down below in the description. And talking about insanity in the market, guys, I mean, look at this. 164, 165, trading sideways all day, not even coming down to retest the support 163.63, orange line, 13 SMA. That is how, Apple stock is trading so strong right now. And this thing is still looking bullish. And yes, Apple stock can move even higher, all the way up to 168 to 170. So right now it looks like it's going to hold 165 again as a support, which is crazy to think that it's not even giving up $2 for the day. So 165 will be a support tomorrow. Below that, 163.62, 161.84, white line 20 SMA, and then 160. 165 tomorrow can hold. We're going to see a push all the way up to 168 on Apple. And now we're going to look at Amazon. And Amazon stock I played today and could have made money both ways, but I don't like to do over trading, guys. Amazon shorted right around 103.70 this morning. 102 puts. Not only went in the money, went over the money. Amazon came all the way down to 101.59. Went back up, holding on to orange line 13 SMA, and now it's trading almost close to 103 again. End of the day, it's green, 0.21%. So Amazon next up 104, and if that breaks, we could be going all the way up to 108.88 to close that gap on top. As a support, you saw it today, and now 101.74, big support down here on Amazon. Below that, 100.59, white line 20 SMA, and then watch out for $98, red line 50 SMA. And now we're going to look at Meta. And Meta, same thing, only down 1.21%, came down to 217, and look at this. Holding on to 217 as a support into closing right here, blue line 5 SMA, and now we will have resistance at 220, 224, and then a quick trip all the way up to 237. Tomorrow, 217 will be a support level to watch, or 218 right here, right around 217, 218, guys. Blue line 5 SMA. Below that, we could see a drop down to 214, and then 210, white line 20 SMA. 220 breaks, more upside, 224 next up, and then possibly up to even 237. And now we're going to look at Google. And Google stock I had it today, buy at 105, 107 calls. Now, never got filled. I mean, this thing, soon as the market opened, low for the day was 105.33, and that was when the market opened, and then never came back down to 105. It's been trading at 106, ran all the way up to almost 107, so that was money, and still there is more upside. Google stock can go all the way up to 107.59, and if you guys watch that last two videos that I made, especially on Google, and I said that it cannot move higher right now because we have Bollinger Band sitting at 109, 110, so I don't see Google stock going any higher. We could see a pullback back down to 105, and this is exactly what we got today. But also 105 is a strong level right here on Google, and it's holding, and we left a gap open on top at 107.59, so that could be coming tomorrow. Google stock now is put at 105. Tomorrow we have resistance at 107, 107.59, 107.59, and then watch out for resistance at 110, where this upper Bollinger Band is sitting. Once we break 105, you will know that Google stock rolling over and could be coming all the way back down to 100. And now we're going to look at Microsoft. On Microsoft, we saw another gap up today with some upgrades. And this thing, I mean, look at this, guys. And I talked about it before in my last videos that 290 will be a big level. And look at this. Even though Microsoft went back up all the way up to 291.58 above 290, it did not hold 290 as a support. And I was only $2 away from shorting Microsoft again just for a day trade at 294. That never came, but some people shorted at 291. They made money because this thing, 290 also was a resistance. And then what happened? 286. So if we shorted here, you made money today on Microsoft. And now it's trading above 286.45. So that is going to be a key level to watch. Blue line and orange line on this daily chart, 5 SMA and 13 SMA. So watch for 286.45 tomorrow as a support and the resistance to break 290, 294, and then Microsoft going all the way up to 300. 286.45 or 44 right here breaks, then we're going to see another leg down to 282.59, white line 20 SMA, gap at 281, and then the second gap at 276 on Microsoft. And that's all I have for you guys tonight. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated.